You've probably heard about pills, pumps, maybe even pelvic floor exercises for ED. But there's one little-known massage that can dramatically improve blood flow, sensation, and erection quality, and hardly anyone talks about it. In this video, I'll show you how to do it safely, naturally, and in just a few minutes at home. Why this massage matters. This isn't a gimmick. This massage works by stimulating the deep pelvic nerves and releasing pressure in areas that most men never think to touch. The result? Stronger, more consistent erections, especially for men over 30 who are starting to notice a decline. Root causes most men ignore. Let's be clear. ED isn't always about testosterone. Often it's a blood flow, nerve activation, or muscle tightness issue. If you sit a lot, feel tension in your hips or lower back, or rarely stretch your inner thighs or pelvic floor, these could be affecting your performance. This massage focuses on a bundle of nerves running through your pelvis and groin that control erection strength. The deep groin release method. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Hip hollow pressure. Sit or lie down. Find the soft spot just inside your front hip bone. Press in slowly with your fingertips. Hold and breathe deeply for 30 to 60 seconds. This relieves pressure on arteries feeding the pelvic region. Step 2. Pelvic tilt massage. While lying on your back, tilt your hips forward and back. Use your hands to lightly massage just above your pubic bone. Stimulates blood vessels that feed the erection chambers. Step 3. Inner groin glide. With both palms, glide from your inner thigh up toward the groin crease. Apply moderate pressure. 30 seconds per side. Helps move stagnant blood and lymph. Step 4. Perineum press. Sit on a soft surface. Gently press between your scrotum and anus using 2 to 3 fingers. Light circular motions. This stimulates the pudendal nerve, crucial for erection quality. Step 5. Glute release. Use a massage ball or fist to roll out tight spots in your glutes or tailbone area. These muscles can compress blood vessels and nerves linked to performance. When to do this and results to expect. Best done at night when you can relax fully. 3 to 5 times per week is ideal. Many men report stronger erections, better sensitivity, and even improved morning wood within 1 to 2 weeks. No side effects. No drugs. Just natural restoration. This is one of those simple habits that nobody teaches but every man should know. Give it a try for 5 days. Notice the change in blood flow, sensitivity, and confidence. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video. Don't take pills. Do this massage instead for harder erections. It's the perfect follow-up.